Hi all and welcome back to another Wellness Wednesdays. Today we'll be making this granola recipe I found on Instagram through Hannah Maloney. I'll have her I don't know if I can link her Instagram, boy. Yes, I'll put the link to it in my description box, but I doing some different things. The recipe is still the same, it's just I doing what I want, basically. Improvising. So what you need: some rolled oats, some marshmallows. Yes, I said marshmallows. Some cinnamon, honey or pancake syrup, vanilla essence or any other essence that you might want to add to it. I am also adding walnuts and pecans to mine, and coconut oil or let's check on this. It's been 15 minutes. Okay. It still have 5 minutes in there. Well, 7 technically, because 22 minutes, but yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is how it turned out. I'm going to let it cool a little bit before I taste test it. Y'all, I hope this thing tastes good. I mean, it smells good. My house smells divine. So let's see, y'all. Let's see. All right, y'all. So it is finished. So I am going to. I mean, it cooled a little bit. So I am going to do the little taste test. Oh, this looks really, really good. Too good. Oh yeah, this is very good. I'm so sorry for you. Like, shut up. This is very good. I don't know what you're doing. And there's like a regular alternative for like, if you're like me, I want something sweet, but you don't buy chocolate, I think. I think some burger with jail. Okay, so if you try this recipe, let me know how you think it tastes. And I will see you guys in another Wellness Wednesday.